That's right, baby, legs.
Every build should benefit from bigger legs.
Legs is one of those things where you feel like you're done, but trust me, you have more every time.
That feeling of not getting out of that last rep, you know when you've got a little bit more left, just think about how shitty that feeling is.
But I knew if I could barely make it to the car, that was a clue that we probably did enough.
I'm excited. Okay, I'm ready to feel pain. Drive! I'm stronger and stronger. Come on! Stronger!
I'm always a skinny bitch, but my muscles quite heavy.
You're gonna be crying after this. You're gonna be crying, lots of tears of blood.
Hey, get out of here. I'm gonna do my set. Oh, get it!
Too heavy! Too heavy! God damn it.
Son of a bitch.